Watch something fall over here. Okay, y'all. Let's try the Tiffany diet together. Now, this ain't really the Tiffany diet, because I don't have all the stuff she has on hers, okay? Because I'm using what I have in my fridge, but it's similar to it. And in case you wonder, Auntie, what is the Tiffany diet? TikTok it, YouTube it, Google it, just type in cottage cheese and mustard girl diet, just anything like that, it'll come up. It's like a whole thing. The main thing is I feel like it's the combination. Okay, Dress, don't be doing disrespectful stuff now. I think this is the main combination. Now, I've tried it, and I think it's interesting. I actually do like the combination. I'm not even gonna lie. And this lady lost like a lot of weight eating a diet very similar to this. Just Google it in case you are interested. Anyway, cottage cheese and mustard. And I don't have a fork. So I have strawberries, grapes, the rainier cherries. Oh God. I'll tell you. The rainiers, hands down the best. Pickled beets, fly, eggs, pickled beets, hearts of palm, which I actually do like, and then broccoli. And then I have, I forgot what brand of sausage this is, and yes, it's burnt to my liking. And cotton candy grapes, watermelon. $2.99 Harris Teeter. I realized too, I don't need as much mustard as she used, but I do like this here combination. She on to something. I've been eating this probably about a week and a half now, and a lot of times I can't even finish I can't even finish it. It's really good. Some people like it. Some people's just like, Now, I did try the apple smoked sausage, whatever. I wasn't feeling it because it was just too sweet. So, water. Now this, I tried these two ways. I broiled them with like olive oil, a little bit of seasoning, and I've tried them this way. I'm not too fond of the big dry of this, even dipped. Not too fond. It's not bad, but a lot of jaw, a lot of chewing. A lot of chewing. Now today, I'm feeling it. I don't know what day you're watching this video, or Thursday or Friday, but I hope you're having a great day. Had a great day, having a great day. Hearts of palm again. And in case you're wondering, what is that, Auntie? This is the inside of a palm tree. And it tastes like an artichoke, if I had to describe it. It's so good. I find it interesting that people like different stuff. Like some people that have tried it was like, mm-mm. And I think it's the texture of the cottage cheese for most people. I think. I know it's really good. This is so good. Strawberry, also from Harris Teeter. I Instacarted it every day. I Instacart this. If I don't have something left from the day before, I just Instacart. And that's all I eat. Until the evening when me and Bae eat. But most of the time, I'm not even hungry. Because I'm eating this at around 12. Let's try the eggs. So on the egg, I have everything bagel, lemon pepper, and paprika. But let's dip it in the mustard and cottage cheese. This is definitely a pregnant lady meal, ain't it? It's good though. I like it. These little pickled beets, child, is so small. I remember when my grandma used to can these. They used to be so big. Look at these little things. What you cooking for dinner? What you eating for dinner? Comment and let me know. I'm getting full. I am getting full. Yeah, but the egg is so good. I said, babe, you want to try this? It was like, no. Well, I have one egg left. It's a healthy mukbang. Look. There's still so much. But I love some pickled beets though. That's gone. It feels so good out here. I have the fan going. And the sun is in the front of the house. It's starting to look dark back here, but it's literally like it's probably like 2 o'clock in the evening. But the sun is in the front. Just shade it back here. Oh my goodness. Hey, baby.
Oh, you over here in the Garden of Eden, huh?
But, oh, your haircut looks so good.
You like that?
It's so sexy.
What's wrong with it?
I'm gonna record me. Handsome. Where you going? Where you going?
No.
Nowhere? Look sexy.
Thank you. I gotta do a little work.
I ain't about to be on here with y'all. I'm about to go play with Bay. I'm gonna call Mary first. I'll eat these. I have to come back for my melon. He just bit that. Woo! Let me know if you tried it. Or if you plan on trying it. I'll let y'all know how much weight I done lost as I try it for another 2 weeks. I might try it for another month, to be honest. Keep y'all posted.